Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living. Are you ready to unlock the secret to vibrant health and glowing skin? In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of ABC Juice, a simple yet powerful blend of apples, beets, and carrots. From boosting immunity to detoxifying your body, this super drink has it all. Stick around to learn why ABC Juice deserves a spot in your daily routine. Let's get started. If you're on the lookout for a simple, natural, and nutrient-packed drink to boost your health, ABC Juice might just be the answer. Made from 3 humble yet powerful ingredients, apples, beets, and carrots, this vibrant drink is a nutritional powerhouse. Let's dive into its incredible benefits. 1. Rich in essential nutrients. ABC Juice is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Apples provide vitamin C and antioxidants, carrots are packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A, while beets deliver iron, folate, and nitrates. Together, they make a perfect blend to support your overall health. 2. Improves digestion. The fiber content in apples and carrots promotes better digestion, while the natural enzymes in beets help cleanse your gut. This juice can also aid in relieving constipation and keeping your digestive system healthy. 3. Boosts immunity. With its rich supply of antioxidants and vitamin C, ABC Juice strengthens your immune system, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. 4. Enhances skin glow. The combination of vitamins and antioxidants in ABC Juice promotes healthy, glowing skin. Regular consumption can help reduce acne, blemishes, and signs of aging, giving your skin a natural radiance. 5. Detoxifies the body. Beets are known for their detoxifying properties, helping cleanse the liver and purify the blood. This makes ABC Juice a natural detox drink to flush out toxins from your system. 6. Improves energy levels. The natural sugars in apples and beets, combined with the nutrients in carrots, make ABC Juice a great energy booster. It's the perfect drink to kickstart your day or refuel after a workout. 7. Supports heart health. Beets in the juice contain nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Combined with the antioxidants in apples and carrots, ABC Juice is excellent for maintaining cardiovascular health. How to make ABC Juice. Making this super drink is simple. Blend 1 apple, 1 beet, and 2 carrots with a bit of water until smooth. Strain if needed, and enjoy it fresh to reap maximum benefits. Pro tip: for added flavor and benefits, you can include a dash of lemon juice or a small piece of ginger. Incorporating ABC Juice into your daily routine is a small step with big rewards for your health. Cheers to a healthier you. And that's the magic of ABC Juice. A simple, delicious, and natural way to boost your health and energy every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a health boost. Subscribe to our channel Bright Knowledge Healthy Living for more wellness tips and recipes, and let me know in the comments, have you tried ABC Juice yet? Until next time, stay healthy and stay glowing.